Kia Guccier, Kia Guccier, money piche roll di jamani, di jamani, tag per di barenda wale tag ni, aja dassa tenu soni ni fashion ki hunda tere yaar da tawakkira swag ni.
If you like the content and the effort that's been put into making of this video, then subscribe to my channel by clicking on subscribe button and hit the bell icon in order to get all the latest updates. Hi all, and once again welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to create a look inspired by Kangana Ranaut's upcoming movie Judgemental Hai Kya. I'm just seeing about this movie everywhere on Instagram, on YouTube, and TV. So yeah, and the poster looks so interesting. I'm looking forward to watch this movie in theater for sure. And of course, the curly hair look of Kangana Ranaut. I just got so obsessed with her curly hair look in this movie. And decided to try this look. I have curled my hair before, but it was never like the extreme curl that I tried. After seeing that curly look, I just thought, okay, I have to create this. I want to try that curly hair look, because so this time I'm going to try the extreme curl, and we'll see that how it turns up. All right, so without wasting any time, let's get started.
Sustaining with hope, and you were sure I couldn't agree that we were meant to be. But our love is what they talk about in movies. Our love is what they talk about. Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me. So wild and free, and you know everything about me.
Go ahead, drop the thing down to the floor. I've been on the road so long, forgot I had a home. I'm out in Miami, it's celebrity galore. I got what I need, but I always want more. Always going on, that's why they call me no ignore. But you could call me Norte. In a 911, pull off in a Porsche. I ain't never losing sleep from what these horses say. Just get my good side, make sure that shit 4K, yeah. Baby, I've been serving L's like the weed man. Ain't even signed yet, you could get it freelance. I'm walking in with a bag like I'm in the NBA. Feel like I'm always vacationing like I'm Chevy Chase. Before these shorties come upstairs, I need an NDA. I swear my life getting crazy, gon' bust off any day, yeah. Hey, gon' bust off any day, yeah. Go ahead, drop that thing down to the floor. I've been on the road so long, forgot I had a home. I'm out in Miami, it's celebrity galore. I got what I need, but I always want more. Always going on, that's why they call me no ignore. I'm out in Miami, it's celebrity galore. I got what I need, but I
Save me from myself. I really need your help. I'm going under. Save me from myself. All I really ever wondered is if I'm really going under. Yeah, we were wild and free, and you know everything about me.
तेरे तो भी ज्यादा वखरा सुहागनी
ਉਹ ਵੱਖਰਾ ਸਵੈਗ ਨੀ
Drop it.